According to the Lento Law Group, Flint City Councilman Eric Mays died without a will, and he is not alone.
According to a recent Care.com survey, more than half of Americans, 60% who are aged 18 and older, do not have a will or any estate planning documents.
Our Don Jones spoke with an attorney today about the importance of being prepared in the event of your death. Don.
Angie and Matt, having a will can help avoid confusion among family who are tasked with making final arrangements for a loved one. Attorney Trishelle Young says it is a very simple document to create. Millions of Americans are living without a will or any estate planning documents.
One of the biggest issues that we encounter is the fact that people don't like to think about a time when they're not going to be around.
But the fact of the matter is everyone will have a date with death, and no one knows when that time will be.
Nobody knows when their time is coming, and tomorrow is not promised.
Attorney Trishelle Young says one of the simplest things you can do to prepare is to create a will.
You know, in the state of Michigan, in order for a person to have a valid will, you can handwrite a will, or you can type one out on a computer or a laptop. And all it requires is your signature, a date, and it to be witnessed by two disinterested parties, meaning two people who are not going to take anything from the will.
She says it doesn't require a lawyer or a notary, and it doesn't have to be filed with the probate office.
But you do need to make sure someone knows that you did a will and where you're keeping your will, because it's no good to anybody if they can't find it when they need it.
Attorney Young says living trust and ladybird deeds are other ways to plan, prepare, and protect you and your assets during a time of death.
Doing a living trust or a ladybird deed, those are ways that you can actually protect your assets. You actually have some tax benefits as well, transfer fee benefits, and you retain the right to all of your assets, the right to control everything. For example, with the ladybird deed, you're adding someone to your deed, but they only get rights upon your passing.
And Attorney Young says without any estate planning documents, surviving family members of the deceased could find themselves in court, probate court, to settle the matter.